Hello students, how are you? Now in this video we are going to discuss division of polynomials by synthetic division. Done? We know the division of polynomial by long division process. Now we have to discuss what is the shortcut method to perform the division of two polynomials. So here question is divide 5x cube plus 9x square plus 8x plus 20 by x plus 2. Divide this polynomial by this one. So let's say this one is our p of x. Dividend polynomial is p of x, which is equal to 5x cube plus 9x square plus 8x plus 20. We have to divide this dividend polynomial with this divisor polynomial, which is g of x. Now g of x is our divisor polynomial x plus 2. Done? We have to perform the division of this both the polynomial by using synthetic division. So a very new concept is there. So how can we perform the division? So we know that by the division of this two polynomial we are getting quotient polynomial as well as remainder. So here first we will write down the coefficients of this dividend polynomial. So coefficients of this dividend polynomial are 5, x cube is the leading term whose coefficient is 5. Then term with x square is there whose coefficient is 9. Then term with x whose coefficient is 8 and constant term is there which is equal to 20. So first we have to write down the coefficients of dividend polynomial. Done? Then we will consider our divisor polynomial, which is given as x plus 2. So take this divisor polynomial equal to 0. Take this divisor polynomial equal to 0 and hence we will get the value of x. That value of x is minus 2. By comparing our divisor polynomial with 0, we will get one value of x that is equal to minus 2. So write that minus 2 over here. Done? This division of polynomial is known as synthetic division, which is shortcut method to find the quotient as well as remainder. Clear students? तो पहले क्या करना है आपको? We have to note down the coefficient, है ना? सबसे पहले आपको जो जितनी भी टर्म है उसके कोफिशिएंट को नोट डाउन करना है. Then we have to consider डिवाइजर को 0 लेना है और x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Done? Now let's start this division. So that division start with 0, that you have to put over here. We have to add 0. We have to add 0 in the coefficient of leading term of this dividend polynomial. So dividend polynomial is p of x whose leading term. What is leading term? The term with maximum power of variable x. So term with the maximum power of variable x is leading term whose coefficient is 5. So we have to add 0 into the coefficient of leading term. Done? So what is 5 plus 0? So it's a 5. Done? Now next step, we have to multiply this minus 2 with this 5. We have to multiply this minus 2 with this 5. So minus 2 5s are, it's a minus 10. So write that minus 10 over here below the coefficient of the term whose power is x square. Now perform addition of this both the term. 9 minus 10, so it's a minus 1. Now multiply this minus 2 with this minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, so it's a 2. Again add this both the numbers, 8 plus 2 which is equal to 10. Now multiply both the numbers, minus 2 into 10 minus 20. Again perform addition, this is equal to 0. Now this last number is 0, which is nothing but the remainder. This 0 indicates remainder. So this is our remainder. Done? So here we can say after the division of this both the polynomial, we are getting remainder rx as a 0. Now what about the quotient? So quotient is nothing but the terms with x square, x and constant term. So here this 5 can be considered as a coefficient of this x square. So quotient term q of x is nothing but the 5x square into minus x plus 10. This is our quotient q of x. Clear, students? So this is how, without performing long division, you can find quotient as well as remainder after the long division of two polynomials. Clear, students? Pause this video and note it down. Okay, students, chalo, let's try one more question. So here we have to divide this x cube plus 3x square minus 7x minus 9 by this x plus 1. So here this polynomial p of x, polynomial with highest power, can be considered as dividend polynomial. So it's a x cube plus 3x square minus 7x minus 9 is our dividend polynomial, and g of x is our divisor polynomial, x plus 1. Done? X plus 1 is our divisor polynomial. Now what we have to do? We have to note down the coefficients of this dividend polynomial, which are nothing but the 1, 3, minus 7, minus 9. These are the coefficients of each term of dividend polynomial. Then we have to consider divisor polynomial. Take this divisor polynomial equal to 0, and hence we will get the value of 1x. So what is the value of this x? So after comparing this divisor polynomial with 0, we are getting x as a minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. So we have to write that value of x over here, minus 1. Done? So these numbers are nothing but the coefficients of this dividend polynomial, and this is nothing but one number which is derived from this divisor polynomial. Done? Then we will start our synthetic division by adding 0 into the coefficient of leading term. So leading term is x cube, whose coefficient is 1. So here we are adding 0 into 1. So what is 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 is nothing but the 1. Now multiply this minus 1 with this 1. So 1 into minus 1 is nothing but the minus 1. Done? Then take the addition, 3 minus 1, 2. Perform multiplication, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Perform addition, minus 7 minus 2, minus 9. Perform multiplication, minus 1 into minus 9 is plus 9. Perform addition, 9 minus 9 is 0. So number at the last stage will give us remainder. This is nothing but the remainder. And these numbers will give us coefficient of quotient polynomial. So this is the coefficient of x square, this is the coefficient of x, and this is the coefficient of constant term. So our answer, quotient q of x, is nothing but the x square plus 2x minus 9. This is our quotient, and remainder polynomial r of x is nothing but the 0. Clear, students? So after the performing of division of this polynomial p of x and g of x, we are getting q of x as a quotient remainder, r of x as a remainder polynomial. Done? So pause this video and note it down.